What's up, guys? TraderJud here with the third pair of our weekly charting series, episode number 5. We are looking at EURAUD on the weekly time frame. You kind of threw me for a loop last week, I'm not going to lie. We had a breakout of the consolidation zone last week, which is depicted of this bullish engulfing candle right here. However, last week's candle was this bearish engulfing candle, which did fully engulf that that bullish candle from the week before. So I'm not really sure what to expect with EURAUD this week. We could see a retest of this trend line down here, or we could see a bullish engulfing candle. I'm not exactly sure what to expect. I am still bullish on this because of this candlestick right here, but I'm not really sure where, especially looking at the weekly time frame. I'm not sure which direction to expect for EA to go. Let's go ahead and drop down to the daily time frame. We'll notice that all of the candlesticks, well, except for Fridays, all of the candlesticks last week, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday, all of them had wicks to the upside, which is a good sign that we're going to see some bearish movement in the future. And so that's what these candlesticks were depicting, that we were seeing rejections to this level right here, which I'm not 100% sure what's causing that. If you zoom out and look over here, I don't really see any levels over here that are causing that. So that leads me to believe that this could just be some sort of retracement, since we were in consolidation for so long. I am, however, bullish on this still, even though we have this strong bearish engulfing candle right here. Because of this bullish movement going into this consolidation zone, I am still bullish on this, and I will be bullish unless this trend line gets broken. So I am not selling this pair. I'm waiting to see what happens if price comes down and retests this level, or this trend line, excuse me, down here. If this trend line does get broken, then I will switch my thought process on that and I will go bullish on it. However, we do see that this bat pattern does complete right above where this trend line is drawn. You'll notice it from last week to this week, I moved this trend line up because this trend line was based on this wick right here. But since we had that break last week, I moved the trend line up to this candlestick. So not necessarily the strongest trend line drawn, because obviously this candlestick was just made last week. So I wouldn't put a whole lot of faith into the strength of this trend line, but it is relevant, so I'll leave it there. Like I said, on the daily time frame, Friday was a bearish engulfing candle, very strong bearish candle. But I am still bullish on this. Let's go ahead and drop down to the 4-hour time frame. I added this zone down on the bottom to show the bottom of the consolidation zone, which is this area right here. And I added this horizontal line at the top to show the top of the consolidation zone. And this is kind of what I'm expecting. I do expect price will reach this zone down here and then go bullish. However, that is not necessarily what's going to happen. We could see price hit the zone and break all the way through it, retest and continue down to retest this trend line. If this trend line down here does get broken next week or the week after that, or any of the coming weeks, then I will go bullish on this pair. But for right now, I am bearish on EA. If you have any questions about this pair, go ahead and drop a comment down below. Send me a message on Telegram. My contact information is in the description below, as well as a link to the channel where I post all of these charts on a weekly basis and post updates throughout the week. So if you're interested in looking at the charts but don't want to rely just on these YouTube videos, there is a place where you can get access to all of the charts that I show you on here. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. Subscribe, like the video. Thanks, guys.